Hi, thank you for watching this video. I'm Isabella from Lengine Group. I'm now going to show you the operation of our explosives detector, SRED. One of the lightest and most sensitive handheld explosives trace detectors. SRED adopts the fluorescent conjugated polymers quenching technology. It can detect more than 40 types of military, conventional, and homemade explosives and imported intermediates at trace level. It has no radioactive source. There are two ways to detect explosives using this device: non-direct vapor method and sampling swipes method. The false alarm rate is within 1%. Here we got one package of SRED. Open the safety box. We can see 4 units inside. I'd like to first introduce each of them and then focus on specifics detecting operation. This is main device. There is only ion battery. Another one has been placed into the device. If we want to change the battery, we can use this screwdriver to twist off the screw at the bottom. This is the stopper. Use the in-sampling swipe method. Once connected to the head of the device, it will begin preheating, and the process will take about 30 seconds. I will explain a specific usage later. Here is a box of sensing elements, 48 pieces in all. Each sensing element can be reused for at most 200 times within its valid range, and only when explosives are detected at one time. Here are 2 boxes of sample swipe, each containing 800 pieces. We can see 3 wireless earphones here. Open the small box. We can find a power cord and some earphone sleeves there. Inside here, there is a power adapter for the main device. We can connect it here to charge the device. And also a data cable. We can use it to download our detecting records. This is our reference standard containing sample explosive materials. These 3 a swipe clip. We can use this clip with our sample when together, like this. Provide much convenience for our sampling work. Last one is our user manual, like this. Okay, after this brief introduction, I want to show you how to actually operate our device.